Are you spoke about Goa? Okay, okay. You tell me which part are you in India? I know, but I forgot. Tell me once again. I think you are from Bihar, right? No. I'm not evaluate your spoken part, but I try to remember because I talked with you and you spoke. You are from Bihar, but I forgot it for a while. But right now, currently, I remembered you are from Bihar, but you went to Goa for your professional life. But right now, you are in Pune because your friend in there and you want to explore there new places, food, culture. Is it? Hmm. Right. Right. Rest also required because not only physical, it required for mind, right? Then you tell how is going on your English practice, English journey. How is it? Hmm. Right. You are doing good job because every day you post some new thing in there. People they obey your words, they do it regularly. You also keep on touching. That is a good thing, right? We cannot evaluate our improvement consciously, unconsciously. We improvement, but sometime if someone appreciate us, that's when we started evaluating how is it, right? Yeah. Mhm. No. I am not that kind of. Okay, I speak confident, not that much confidently, but I am a learning stage. Are you can also speak like me. How you appreciate me? If you appreciate me, then you demotivate yourself, right? You start believing yourself. Definitely, I can also speak others. You can speak, but you are always doubting your English level. That is a reality. You accept it because of why you think about it, because you always doubt yourself. You don't believe yourself. You never, you always lose your confidence while talking with others, right? We all are language learner. Yeah, we, pardon, could you repeat? Yeah, because why you lose your confidence? Because you always compare with others. That is a reality. You don't compare with others. You don't compare with others. You tell it's okay. He or she can speak fluently. It's okay. It doesn't matter. I also can speak like them. And what I speak, it good for me. I am improving myself. If you think positively, definitely you can speak fluently with confidence. Confidence, if you speak fluently, automatic confidence improve, right? Yeah, you don't doubt yourself. You should not doubt yourself. You forget it. Because if right now we talk each other, I speak with you, but I don't have lots of vocabulary inside my head, right? If I speak with others, I always use simple vocabulary. I cannot use strong vocabulary. That is my passive vocabulary. If you cannot use strong vocabulary, if you talk with others, that is a passive vocabulary, right? But we try to understand if someone use strong vocabulary. It doesn't mean we also use while talking with others. Next person cannot understand what we wanna tell them, right? Yeah, that's why it is a learning journey is our part of life. Some people they within short period they yeah some people they can speak fluently within short period. Some people they take time to speak fluently, right? It depends only your time. It depends your hard work. How much do you do hard work and how much time do you spend with language? It depends upon you. If you invest 10 to 20 minutes per day, then it will take time to speak fluently. If you invest 1 hour per day, all skill, reading, writing, listening, and speaking, or thinking, then anyone can improve their language within short period. It is not our mother tongue. You have to clarify your mind, right? And you don't lose your confidence in front of others. If someone speak fluently like a native speaker, they use strong vocabulary, you tell definitely I will achieve one day like him or her. You always think positively because you always compare with others. I also do practice why I cannot speak like them. You don't think about it. You think I also can speak fluently like them, then definitely you can speak fluently. If you doubt yourself, then you cannot do it, right? Yeah, that's why you don't worry about it. It is not our mother tongue, right? You are doing good job. You always do your activity. I saw on your group you do always that kind of activity. You practice with your friend here and you try to improve yourself because it required for your professional life in future. That's why right now you are improving your skill, leadership quality, communication skill, soft skill, hard skill, right? No one can get overnight. You also remember it. Who are good speaker, that person one day were also beginner. Yeah, then you always think yourself, right now I am beginner, one day I become fluent speaker. If you think always positively, and who are good speaker, fluent speaker, that person also one day became beginner, right? Yeah. Then it is a journey. Language is a journey. It is not a destination. Yeah. Definitely, you are a good speaker. You always doubt yourself. Why are you doubting yourself? Tell me. Hmm. I will tell you one thing. I will tell you one thing. If someone judge us and if someone evaluate our spoken part, we tell them leave it. We should not demotivate ourselves. We should not demotivate ourselves. If you do, leave it. You think yourself, leave it. छोड़ दो उसको. जो insult करेगा, तो insult also part of in our life. If someone insult you, yeah, that insult your. Hmm, of course, definitely. That's why insult is a power tools. Someone insult you, then you aggressive with yourself. You become stubborn. You think yourself, definitely I can do it, right? Because he or she insulted me. I will show him or her how can I do it, right? That's why insult is a powerful tools. Insult control your situation. Yeah, insult control your present. If your insult control your present, then definitely you achieve your goal. Yeah, welcome, CV. Yeah, then you don't think about it. Yeah, we are good. Pardon? Are you telling something, CV? Okay. We are talking random